Guangxi is one of the most beautiful provinces in China.
You don't have to go far from Nanning to get somewhere like this. This is our guide on how to get from the city to quite literally the middle of nowhere in just under 2 hours.
But it has its challenges. Hello everyone, we made our way to the bus. We are going to Shanglin. You can buy tickets using the app Tunar. We've chosen Jingjiao bus station because there are buses that go there frequently and it's also close to our house. Unfortunately, it wasn't very smooth today. We had some trouble getting through the bus station as we are foreigners.
Actually feel that bad about taking this DD driver on this road that we're going to give him some more money because I've been on some bad roads in my life, but this is up there with the very worst. The poor guy. He's been in first gear the whole way up this mountain and we've been up for about half an hour. Palms are sweating.
We are driving back because there are 3 marks and they can't go through. We have to give them some space. Bye-bye. Oh, we finally got here. We sent him more money because he deserves it. Yeah, that was a disaster. Hopefully, I think this is our hotel. Now I will show you our room. So here we have a little couch for chilling. Here we have a very nice area. You can have some tea sessions with a take tea. Here we have a wardrobe. Here's our we have a bath. Really love the style of this room. And here's our bed. It's
Yeah, we just came a wee walk from the hotel there, maybe 200 meters, and we've seen so many
butterflies.
It's just really peaceful here. This is the public kitchen. It's quite useful, to be honest. You can take your own things or your own microwave. We brought curry from home because we weren't sure what the food was going to be like, so if we cool later we can heat it up. And there is a fridge, and here is our curry, and here is
So one of the downsides of this place is that they have only Chinese food, obviously, but we brought our food, and they have a kitchen. You can put your food in the fridge, you can cook something here. I think it's great.
This cloud looks like a plume of smoke that's come from an atomic bomb or something. sunrise, and our little friend came to say hello. Nice little stick insect.
My GoPro here, and right here there are two. Aha!
Centipedes. Oh. Just giving them a wee sniff.
Where is it going? We have breakfast included. We love Chinese food, but not for breakfast. It's like she told me it would be porridge or noodles or steamed bun. We just decided to bring our own. By the way, today is very cloudy, so we were like it yesterday.
Morning everyone, we're just on our way back to the bus station from the hotel now, and yeah, we had a good time. I would say there's a few things maybe you'd have to consider because it was a bit awkward getting the DD from the hotel to the bus station. Maybe the food as well, if you're not used to basic Chinese food, you might want to pack for yourself. And maybe the weather this morning was a bit cloudy, so you might want to be careful of that as well. But overall the hotel was beautiful and we had a really, really nice experience.
And if you like that video, please hit the like